All right, everybody, this is Nicholas with Homes of Fredonia, and we are in Angola, New York, right on the lake. And today we are craning a ranch home onto a full 8-foot basement. So this basement's done in the heart of winter, 0-degree temperatures, but we can still do it. And although it looks like a mess, you can rest assured this will be beautiful when it's done, just like any other time of the year. And so we are making liftoff. And there's a lot of people from the local area here to watch today. We even have a class of schoolmates here watching today. And so I'm gonna just let this video roll, and we're going to watch this whole thing get lifted up. And they're gonna just they go real slow with this, of course, just to make sure everything is tight and ready to go. And there it goes. So they're gonna take a pause, and we shall too while they get everything secured. All right, we're looking good, and they're going to start to swing it over. So this half here is going to come towards me. So the side of the foundation that I'm standing on is where this half is going to go, and I'll run around to the other side so that you can see the open concept. Literally wide open right now. And here it goes. So it's coming to me. I gotta watch out over here. And I'm probably gonna keep backing up. And we are looking good. All right, here we are on the other side of the home. So that I am making sure I'm out of the way there. And check this out. This just never gets old. So 3-bed, 2-bath home, approximately 1,600 square foot home. And you can see the front of the foundation there, how it's staggered. So this home's gonna have a bumped out floor plan for some nice curb appeal. And like I said, 3-bed, 2-bath, open floor plan, ranch home. And the roof's gonna get lifted to a peak. It looks flat right now, but it's just designed that way on a hinge system so that it's easy to lift up afterwards. All right, so let's walk down the way a little bit here so you can see this kitchen in here. Pretty cool, nice big kitchen. Can't see all the cabinets in there right now, but it's a beautiful kitchen. And there it is. It's made touchdown on one end. That's how they usually do it. They'll put one end down to make sure it's perfectly aligned, and then they will set the other piece down afterwards. So there it goes. It's only inches away. It's only inches away from touchdown here.
Yeah, it's hanging over here quite a bit.
All right, so they're going to have to get it shimmied a little bit, but that's the general idea. And the second half's going to be coming soon, and we'll do a part 2 video for that one. Stay tuned.